baby girls? It's your girl Pinky. And I do got a shirt on just in case you're wondering. And I got my beautiful pillow. Boom, boom. So I have to pretty much recreate this video because of copyrighted music that I had in my background. So I had to retake the video down and now I have to redo it. So I'm back with this video again. Whoop, whoop. As you can see, pay attention to the video because in the background you can see the wall was white. Now it's green. My room, look at my room. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. So this is the new video and it's going to be mixed with the old video because of the copyrighted music that I had. I had Ariana Grande and I was doing a Barbie, well, a doll look, big old eyes, and I was sick in that time. And it's not because of Corona, just so, yeah. So I had to redo the freaking video, you guys. So pay attention. Yeah. So I'm out from the flower. I'm fresh from the shower. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, and in this video I'm not really talking much, but pretty much what I put on my eyelashes was glue, and I put some powder just to make sure I cover up my eyebrows, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, if you have any questions about the video, make sure you comment below and subscribe. Bam, bam. So yeah, before we start with the video, I want to show off my beautiful nails that my baby girl did. So bam. So I have a Libra because I'm a Libra. I have a Taurus because my mom's a Taurus. And I have my Santoritas. That's my guardian angel. And then I have Sagittarius, which is my sister, my third oldest sister. I have her on my finger. And I have an Aquarius. And then the other side, I have, bam! I have my Indian. And then I have like smoke of colors. So it's like a space nails. I love my nails. So you wanna get your nails done, make sure you guys hit up my baby girl. But yeah, bam. Wish you could do it like me. You wish you could do it like me. Okay, let's get to the video now. Oh my god, I'm seriously laughing at myself. I'm such a dutter. I wasn't even recording myself. This whole time I was sitting right here thinking I was recording. I wasn't even recording. Oh my gosh. Alright, so as I was saying, I had done this look before, and I'm gonna do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna I'm gonna start doing. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk right now. Like, to be honest, I don't even feel like talking. I just want to hurry up and get this look done. I hate being sick. And I don't have that much energy. I'm trying to give myself energy, but I really don't have that much energy. So I'm definitely gonna try to hurry up with this. So I'm gonna try to do more action and less for you guys. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk too much. So pretty much what I have in the bag, pretty much is what I'm gonna be using on my face. And oh shoot, I just dropped. Oh, I'll pick it up a little bit. I'll put chicken rattle. Alright, so hair balls. So I'm gonna start. What I'm gonna do, I keep seeing like what you call it? Oops, excuse me, like Bratz, those Bratz dolls challenge, whatever, Instagram, and I actually have done something like that like a year ago. So I'm gonna see. So I'm gonna see if I could still do it. Cause I know I did it last year. That was bomb. I did it bomb digging. I got done with it. So I don't even know if I can still do that bomb digging again. So I'm gonna see if I can do it again. So, but it's okay because I still could do more practice for me. So it's alright. So if it comes out, a fail, then it's alright. I'm gonna do it again till I get that. Makes it look bomb digging. So, alrighty. So let's get this started. So let's do today. I'm gonna do today's look. Yeah. Oh, my back hurts. All right, let's start. Oh, excuse me. Wow. Yeah. So I'm gonna start doing everything pretty much that I have that I'm gonna put on my face is what I'm pretty much gonna be using. All right. So yeah, pretty much I'm just gonna start doing the video fast forward so I don't have to talk no more. All right. All right. So pretty much watch and you learn. That's it. 'Cause that's how I learn. I'm more visual learner. Serious, do it. Shadow is pretty much from Jeffree Star. Whoop, whoop. Love him. Love you, baby girl. Love you. I just played. Oh shit. But yeah. I hate being sick, but hey, at least I did it. So yeah, I don't want to be in fucking bed. So yeah, a hot ass bath. That's what I need right now. So take a nice hot bath. Thank you guys all for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, bam! I actually liked how this came out, so it's definitely not a fail. It actually came out good. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Peace out, A-Town.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe and help me grow my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Is that what I do?